It's those damn pearls!
I am among the noblest ladies of the crown, second only to the queen, yet I am the saddest of all mortals in France.
Why, what's the matter, my lady?
Oh, Teresa, I am so downhearted. My father has betrothed me to Baron de Lansfield, and I can't stand him.
But he is such a catch. But every lady of the court wishes she were in your pretty shoes.
But yet my heart belongs to another, Pierre de Bataille. Ever since I met him, I can't get him out of my mind.
She sounds like my cousin Boyle. She never could remember where the microphone was.
Find you out. Steal it. It's much too valuable.
'Tis Cupid that sent me here, and I, smitten by his arrow, come charging to your side, despite the threats of Madame la Guillotine.
For the night is full of our enemies.
Hey, Lena, what's your head with? Black cat?
Princess of the night, I love you.
Oh, Milena.
I love you. 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 I love you.
Someone got paid to write that dialogue.
Huron, captured by Rouge Noir
What's the
of the
matter
Purple
now?
Terror.
The sound.
My sword.
It's out of synchronization.
I must fly
Oh, tell them
to
to
her
fix
side.
it.
Your Pierre is far away, my wench.
No.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes,
Well, take one last look at it. It'll all be up for auction in the morning.
You're crazy. It's Saturday. No bank is going to foreclose until Monday.
Don, it wasn't that bad.
There's no use fooling myself. As soon as they release this lot load of Mamont, we're through.